Hi guys, now I will explain to you how to set the snap settings in Autocad. So in order to access the snap command or snap settings, you can go to these tools or icons, click snap setting. So here we are going to look at the object snap. Object snap means it will snap to the nearest of modes, object snap modes of any elements. Once you check the endpoint, it will select. Once you hover near that endpoint or line which has an endpoint, it will automatically select that one. So let's see how it's used. The rest you can see is unchecked, so we're only using end snap. So now we have a line here. Let's say we want to create a line. Enter line. Now here you can see it automatically snap to the endpoint snap mode. So basically that's how the snap setting works. So let's say you want the endpoint, the start of the line, to be at the endpoint of this line. Click OK, click enter. Now let's set another snap object snap mode. Let's say midpoint and perpendicular. We'll use these two. So let's say we want to create another line, but we want to place this start point of this line at midpoint of this line. So here, once you hover near this line, it will automatically select the midpoint. But if you're hovering close to the endpoint, it will select the endpoint mode. So now we need to go near to the middle. No need to measure it, just click. Automatically your first point of the line will snap into the midpoint mode of this line, and then you have to pick the second line just to fully complete the line. Now let's say we want another line which is perpendicular to this line. So now we have also selected the perpendicular snap mode. As you can see, let's create a line. We select a line. Now it's supposed to be perpendicular to this line. See, it can move. So let's say even if you select it at an angle, it will still automatically snap perpendicular to this line. So click enter again to exit out of the line. Now another snap point mode is the center. So this one, let's create a circle. Now let's say the line we want to place at the center of this line. If we hover near this circle, it will automatically select the center point of the circle. Click and then click here. It will automatically set a perpendicular to this line. Another object snap or object snap mode that we typically or customarily use is the quadrant and intersection, and sometimes parallel to this line. So basically all these 6 commands is what I customarily use and set for my preference to use in my drawing. So let's say I want to get the first line to the quadrant of this circle, and intersection. Let's say I want to cross this intersection. Let's say the line here. It will select the intersection of this circle and the line. So that is how you set your snap mode settings or snap settings using the object snap to select and set up your preferred object snap modes. This is my custom snap modes selection. So the rest you can also select or set it up based on your preference. Thank you.